Hi guys, welcome to my vlog again. I am Jose, and for today's video for basic harness. So for video number 1, I'll show you the basic motor skill or the necessary skill before you proceed to fundamental of harness, kali or eskrima. So first, you have to know how to hold this cane, because if you don't know how to hold your cane, your hand will be full of blisters. So first, you have to train your finger, so you will hold your stick like this first. Uh, no wrapping of palm yet, only the finger. So this is the first exercise. You 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and you start to 10 or 20. If you are strong enough, you have to do it 20 times. In this position, 20 times. In this position, 20 times, like this. In this position, 20 times. In this position, 20 times. So maybe you will think that this is very basic, but the basic is the most advanced. You can do it properly when your basic is poor. You can't do that swing. So you have to have a strong wrist and connection with your weapon. So you start here first. So whatever you exercise to your right hand, you must do it in your left hand also. So you start here 1, 2, 20, then 20, 20, 20. So after that, you will need to learn the angles of attack. So the angles is all the attack coming from here, this side going to this side is angle 1. So we'll do it in halfway, because the full swing is like that and like that. So we'll do it like this. So 1, this is the chamber, right chamber, and this is the number 1. This one must be aligned with your head, and this one like this, not like this, not like this. It must be like this. So you target the temple, this part of your opponent. 1, 2, and you must remember that this hand and the cane must be in 90 degrees, not like that or not like that. So it must be like that with angle, or like that. Then this will connect to the target. This one, not this part. This one will connect. This one must connect the 2-inch or 1-inch. That is the strongest part of your strike. Not this. Not this. In close range, this is better than this. So instead of hitting like that, you hit like that. Wham. In long range, you use this one. Wham, wham. You use this one to guide the hand, like that, like that, like that. Okay? So you must remember the angle. Not like this. Not like that. It's wrong. It must be like this. 1, 2, 3. Then the other side. Okay, so that's it for the first video.